Hello friends, welcome to Java Study Points. We had discussed about loop in my previous video. Now we have to discuss about uh, arrays. So now we will discuss about array. So let's see array, how to work array in Java and what's the array in Java. So here as you can see that जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं array can hold homogeneous data type elements. So array can only hold the elements of homogeneous type. Only it's hold the data of homogeneous type. For example, for example, here is the object of an array. Object of an array. Here is a student type of array. A student s equal to new student and size is 100. Okay. So if we are storing the value using the student type of array, so s0, so index 0 में हम लोग वैल्यू को स्टोर करना चाहते हैं. So s0 equal to new student, it's correct because the object is a student type here, and s1 equal to new customer, it's wrong because the array can hold only homogeneous data type elements. So here is the a student type of object, not customer type of object. So that's why the customer type of object can't be able to store the value. A student type of object is able to store the value only. But we can resolve this problem using object array. So ये प्रॉब्लम को हम लोग रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट टाइप ऑफ एरे बनाकर क्रिएट करके. सो हियर object type of array is there. Object wo equal to new object 100. So wo0 equal to new student. So it is the correct, and wo1 equal to new customer. It also will be correct because we have to using in both case object type of array. Object wo equal to new object and size is 100. So it will be the correct. We can store any type of value using object array, object type of array. And there are 3 points is there regarding array. So the first point is array are fixed in size. Array size में fixed होता है. And the second point is array are hold homogeneous data type. Array can only hold homogeneous data types, and the underlying data structure is not accepted. Array is not accepted underlying data structure. And we can understand here in this diagram about array. इस डायग्राम में हम लोग array के बारे में समझेंगे. So the 10, 25, 46 dot up to 89, it's all the elements of array. It's all the elements of array. It's all the elements of array. And 0, 1, 2 dot up to n minus 1, it's all the index of array. It's all the index of array. And it is the array bound. It is the array bound. So n minus 1 in the index part, n minus 1 means the highest value of index, the highest value of elements minus 1. Array size means n elements. Array size can be n elements, and index range will be 0 to n minus 1. Index range will be 0 to n minus 1 and array name equal to third elements means array name में हम लोग second index को पास करते हैं means second index means this one, so this one's element is there 46, so third element is there 1 2 3, so array name 2 means third element and array means 0, array name 0 means first element, array name 1 means second element and array name 2 means third element. Okay, and here is the array declaration. So array declaration कैसे किया जाता है array में हम लोग इसके द्वारा समझ लेंगे. So array declaration is here. Here is the example. So int array 1. Here is the declaration part. Array of int type. So here is the declaration of int type and float arr1. Here is the declaration of array of float type and here is the char arr1 array of character type. Here is the declaration of character type. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग कैरेक्टर टाइप का डिक्लेरेशन किए हैं, यहाँ फ्लोट टाइप का डिक्लेरेशन किए हैं और यहाँ पे इंटीजर टाइप का डिक्लेरेशन किए हैं. And this is the initialization. So array name equal to new array type size. यहाँ पे हम लोग array name देते हैं, यहाँ पे array type देते हैं, यहाँ पे size mention करते हैं जैसा कि यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. So array one here you can see that here array 1 is the array name equal to new is it's a operator and int is the array type and 5 is the size of array. So this is the initialization and this is also initialization of float type. This is also initialization of character array. So here is the declaration and this is the initialization. So we can store the value using arr1 in this diagram. Using diagram in arr1 हम लोग वैल्यू को स्टोर करेंगे arr1 array of arr1. So arr1 में 25, 40 and 56, 98 and 120 एलिमेंट्स है. इसमें 5 एलिमेंट्स को स्टोर किया गया है. 1 2 3 4 5 एलिमेंट्स एंड 4 इंडेक्स है. सो हियर इज द हाउ टू स्टोर द वैल्यू. यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं वैल्यू को कैसे स्टोर किया जाता है. सो arr1 this is the arr1. okay, this is the arr1. so arr1 में 0 इंडेक्स में हम लोग 25 स्टोर करेंगे, 1 इंडेक्स में 40, इंडेक्स 2 में 56, इंडेक्स 3 में 98 एंड 4 में 120 को स्टोर करेंगे. एंड वी हैव टू प्रिंट elements here arr1 3. so arr1 3 means fourth element, 3 means fourth element, so fourth element is 98. so it will print 98, and here is the using the loop we have to display all the elements of array. Using the loop we have to display all the elements of array. So here is the declaration int I equal to 0 and this is the condition I less than 5 and I plus plus. So I equal to 0, so I less than 5, so it will checking the condition. So 0 less than 5, yes, it's true, it's true, then it will print the value of index 0. So that in the AR1 index 0 value is 25, so it will print 25. ये 25 को प्रिंट करेगा. फिर 0 प्लस प्लस मीन्स I प्लस प्लस मीन्स 0 plus plus 1, so I will become 1, and again it will check condition. So I will become 1 means 1 less than 5, yes, it's true, so it will again print the 40, index of 1 number equal to 40, and here here again 1 plus plus is 2, so I will become 2. Here again check the condition, 2 less than 5, yes, it's true, then it will print array of index 2, 56, and here 2 plus plus is 3, so I will become 3. So here again check the condition, 3 less than 5, yes, it's true, then it will print the index of 3 means 98, and here increment will happen, 3 plus plus is 4, so int I will become 4. Here again check the condition, 4 less than 5, yes, it's true, then it's print the value of index 4 means 120, and again it will increment 4 plus plus 5, so I will become 5. So here again check the condition, 5 less than 5, no, it's false, then it will out of loop, out of for loop. So ये था मेरा एरे के बारे में. अब हम लोग समझेंगे, अब हम लोग समझते हैं, let's take an example of program related to array, and let's execute the program. So here is the program. So this is the class name program1, this is the main method, and here just printed a value, just printing a message, program started, and here is the declaration of array, and here is the initialization of array. So we have to mention 5 here, it is the size of array, so we can store only 5 value in this array, okay, because it's fixed, the array is the fixed inside, so here is the size is 5, so that's why we have to store only 5 elements, we have to store only 5 elements, and this is the elements of array, and this is here we have to print fourth element of array, and we have to print a message here array elements, and also we have to display using the for loop all the elements of array. So just compile this program, open the command from here, and go to D drive, and one folder is there inside the D drive, that is Java study, and one folder is there inside the Java study, that is array. So we have to go there, cd array, okay, and need to compile the program. So my program file is inside the array. So Java C, the compilation command is Java C, and file name .java. So my file name is program1.java. So it's compiled successfully. Now run this program. So Java and class name. The class name is program1. So here is the output. Here is the output. This is program started. Fourth element. Fourth element is this is the fourth element is array 3. Array index of 3. So here is the array index of 3. 3 means 98. So the fourth element is 98. The fourth element is 98, and array elements is this message just printed array elements. So here is the array elements. Here is the array element, and using the for loop we have to print all the value of array. So यहाँ पे हम लोग साइज मेंशन किए हैं 5. सो हम लोग 5 वैल्यू को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. तो हियर इज फॉर लूप में int I equal to 0, so it will check the condition 0 less than 5. Yes, it's true. So this will print the 0 index of array. So here is the value is 25. Okay, and I plus plus means 0 plus plus 1. So 1 will be I will become 1. So 1 less than 5. Yes, it's true. And again it will print index of 1, array index 1, value is 40. So 40 will print, and 1 plus plus 2. So I equal to 2, I less than equal to 5 means 2 less than equal to 5. Then print of ये प्रिंट करेगा इंडेक्स ऑफ 2. सो इंडेक्स ऑफ 2 वैल्यू है 56. 56 प्रिंट करेगा. एंड आई प्लस प्लस मीन्स 2 प्लस प्लस 3. सो आई इक्वल टू 3. 3 यहाँ पे कंडीशन चेक करेगा 3 लेस देन 5. यस, इट्स ट्रू. देन अगेन प्रिंट करेगा इंडेक्स ऑफ 3, वैल्यू है 98. मेरा 98 प्रिंट करेगा. एंड अगेन इट विल इंक्रीमेंट 3 plus plus 4. So I will become 4. So 4 less than equal to 5. Yes, it's true. Then it will print index of 4, array index 4, value is 215. So 215 प्रिंट करेगा इंडेक्स 4 में. एंड अगेन इट विल इंक्रीमेंट 4 plus 5 means I equal to 5. So it will check the condition 5 less than 5. No, it's false. So it will outside of for loop, और यहाँ से for loop में बाहर हो जाएगा. So here is the output. Here is the output 25, 40, 56, 98 and 250. So this is about array. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.